really enjoying it. Fantastic.
Really captivating to watch.
Brilliant. It just builds and builds.
I love it. Really funny. It just went so quickly. I've never had a first act go so quickly before.
Brilliant, funny and amazing.
I've not laughed so much for ages. Real belly laughs.
Funny, engaging, entertaining. Their timing was just perfect, and the whole medley of all the doors opening and everything sort of going wrong.
Hysterical.
Hilarious. It really is very good.
Funny, hectic, brilliant.
Definitely come.
Yeah, absolutely, definitely come. It's fantastic.